What's up, everybody? This is Scotty with Southern Off-Road. I'm sitting out here in one of our 2024 CFMOTO 950 Sport 4 4-seaters. This one's headed out this afternoon to the new owner, but I want to do a quick walk-around video and talk about some of the add-ons that we did before this thing heads out this afternoon. Check out this 2024 CFMOTO 950 Sport 4. These things a 4-seater, plenty of room for you and your family. This one's headed out this afternoon to the new owner. Do a quick walk around video of all the add-ons that we did. So the Sport 4 or any of the CFMOTO machines already come pretty well equipped. Factory winch up front, factory power steering, factory roof. But we did some add-ons to this one. So tires. We added some of the Maxxis Roxxzillas 32 by 10 14s on the factory CFMOTO beadlock wheels. Get my shadow out of the way here. Really cool tires. These are really popular. Tons of sidewall grip there. There is no suspension lift on this machine. Keith's headed out doing a little test ride on one we're trading in right now. No forward arms, no suspension lift on this machine. Just the 32s added to the factory CFMOTO beadlock wheels. You can see the windshield's been changed, or excuse me, added. This is a Super ATV flip-up windshield. The customer also wanted to add a set of wheel spacers on top of the tires. Now we did test fit the factory CFMOTO wheels with these tires without wheel spacers, and there was no clearance issues. But he did want to go ahead and add a set of spacers, so there's a set of 1.5-inch wheel spacers installed. And then to top it all off, we also added a clutch kit, Stage 2 clutch kit from Team MSC. So Stage 2 clutch kit is a spring for the primary and the secondary clutch assembly. So 32s on this thing, ready to go, ready to hit the trail. All of it financed in. So it's not a bunch of add-ons. We were able to make these add-ons with the financing. So ready to rock and roll. Just can't get over how good this thing looks. Another factory feature from CFMOTO is this storage box in the back. Tons of room. It's got some tie downs over in the corners. It's also got a rubber seal on it, keep all the debris, dust, and water out. We did do a test ride on this thing here at the shop just to make sure that the clutch kit did its job for the 32-inch tires. Overall, again, it's a great looking machine, but with the add-ons, it makes it even better, a lot more capable. If you're looking to do something like this to your CFMOTO, you want to purchase a CFMOTO, whether it be an ATV, one of the utility machines like the U4 600 or 1000s, or one of the new sport machines that CFMOTO's got out, let us know. We'll be happy to help you out. You can email us at sales@southernoffroad.com. Come by the store, check them out in person, come sit in them, check out some of the ones we've got modified, or we'll leave a link below in the video description for a form to fill out that you can fill out the form, sends it over to us, we'll take a look, and then reach out to you.